这样录了。
好。周玉萍呢？周玉萍。周玉萍。收场。你看他这个毛出来了，你看到没？一般不出来。
他还开心。哇。
Hello. How are you?
带你先烦。完了。再给他一张。
太搞笑了。
Hello, George.
哦，他们那个毛那个。太搞笑了他。
你看。
这个给他，这个彩色的给他。呀，我拿那个。
他不要那个了。
他不来了，他把那个放开了，他不开心现在了。
他不开心了，他不开心。
你
看他开心。
呀，他不开心，他习惯那样。呀，他不开心的。
他不开心那个。
啊。你不跟那个玩，他就不开心。看看他开不开心？他不开心，他不想那这个。
You see, those is so happy about it. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. He's just shaking, dancing. I guess I don't know what kind of dancing, but.
Yeah. Oh.
You are so sweet today.
He's really happy.
Hold it. 我想弄完了。
那不玩了那个。
他不要。Hello. Okay, you finish? You finish? Get back to me.
Finish.
You done?
Okay, he's done.
You done? Okay, you done?
No, here's more.
Oh.
No chewing.
No good. That's not food.
We keep doing it. What?
Oh.
She's my bye. She's very happy.
流口水了。
He's another parrot.
Yeah, he doesn't want it. Only this one.
Okay, good job.
Oh, you can't do it.
Come, little bear. Oh, good Lord.
Oh.
They okay?
Oh, we got you. Pay for that?
Yeah, I tried to. They tried.
Yeah, hang on, let me get
He's like shaking around.
Yeah.
He's really happy.
He's real happy.
He's really happy, right?
He's super happy. He's a happy bird.
He's a happy bird.
Oh, look at it. He doesn't even know.
There we go.
Wow.
Had to be quick with it, yeah.
Wow.
I thought he gonna bite you.
This one, you want this one?
No, 不要再给他了我。
It's okay.
Happy bird 又来了。
Happy bird.
Little bear.
It started over.
Little bear.
他知道find the balance point.
It started over.
Yeah, you the happy bird.
It's a happy bird.
That's a good word.
You are noisy. You talk a lot. You talk a lot.
Okay. Happy bird.
There you go. Don't lose big guys.
我来个鸟开始。
This one talks too much. Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Hello.
High five. High five. Yeah. High five.